What if one credit card could replace your travel wallet entirely? Most people think premium cards are overpriced, but the Capital One Venture X challenges that idea in a big way. Let's break down why. The Venture X is a premium travel credit card designed for frequent travelers who want luxury benefits without excessive hassle. It comes with a high annual fee. But here's the surprising truth. Many cardholders get more value back than they pay. You earn unlimited miles on every purchase, with higher rewards on travel booked through Capital One's platform. Miles can be used for flights, hotels, or transferred to travel partners, giving you flexibility. Most people get this wrong and assume premium cards are only about points. The real value is in the perks. The Venture X includes annual travel credits that can offset most of the annual fee, plus anniversary bonus miles each year. Cardholders also get airport lounge access, including Capital One lounges and partner lounges worldwide. If you travel even a few times a year, this can dramatically improve your experience. There's no foreign transaction fee, which makes it ideal for international travel. You also get strong travel protections, like trip delay coverage and rental car insurance. Approval requires good to excellent credit. This is not a starter card, and it's not meant for carrying balances. Interest rates are high, so paying in full is essential. Who should consider the Venture X? Travelers who want premium benefits, simple rewards, and real-world value without juggling multiple cards. If used strategically, this card can actually pay for itself. If this review helped you see premium travel cards differently, subscribe for more in-depth credit card insights. Smarter travel starts with smarter choices.